Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we will show you what to do if your Android phone is stuck in headphone mode and you can't seem to turn it off. So the first thing you can try is grab a headphone jack, plug it into your phone's 3.5mm port and unplug it. Do this 2 or 3 times and your phone should get out of the headphone mode. However, if this does not work, you may need to clean your phone's headphone jack. Sometimes dust or moisture buildup inside the headphone port can cause your phone to detect the headphone even when it's not there. To clean it, grab a cotton swab or a Q-tip. Now remove the most of the cotton from the top so that you can insert it into your phone's headphone jack. Once you have done that, simply insert the Q-tip in your phone's headphone jack and give it a twist. This should catch all the debris inside the port and hopefully solve your problem. Another thing you can try is plug the headphone cable into your phone's port. Now press the power button or the power and volume button to access the power menu. Now tap the restart option. Once your phone starts rebooting, unplug the headphone jack from it. Now wait for your phone to boot back up and check if the issue is resolved. However, if nothing else works, your last option is head to the Play Store and download this Disable Headphone app. Once you have downloaded the app, open the app and select the speaker option. This app will force your phone to turn off the headphone mode. If you have any questions about this, feel free to ask them in the comments below and don't forget to like and subscribe.